is going on, hustlers? Another day, another dollar. No, I'm not in my truck today. I'm out here at the lake shooting a couple of training videos for some upcoming courses or mini programs, mini education tools for you that we will be releasing very soon. Now, it was looking like it was going to be a beautiful day, so I took the 5-minute drive across town to come out here to the lake. On my way out here, the clouds started appearing. There has been a couple drops of rain, so I'm gonna try and get these videos in before the rain hits, but you still get to enjoy that beautiful background of the lake behind me. Now, what I want to talk to you about today is how there are higher powers controlling what we do. Whether you believe that's a god or some other a being or whatever it is that your belief is, there is some other power that controls our destiny. And when you're doing things the right way, those doors or those gates get opened for you to succeed. Case in point, I randomly went to 2 thrift stores last night. Had no intentions of going to any of the thrift stores. I happened to go to a local Mexican restaurant that I kind of favor, and when I left, I said, let me stop in and see what they got. The first one, I popped on a couple items that put a little extra profit in my pocket. Nothing major, no $100 winners, just doubling my money. The second store, that got me encouraged to go to the second store. Both of these are on my path going back home. I stop at the second store, walk right in. What do I see? A couple calculators sitting inside the case. Pull 2 of them out for some decent profits. I paid $5.99 a piece for them. I'll show them to you when they sell. But then I walked over to like the DVD area, the video game area where there's like games to buy, not the consoles. I don't know why, because I don't normally shop over in that area where the movies, CDs, and that stuff are. I don't pick up a lot of that. Walked over, and the very first thing I see sitting on the shelf is a multi CD set training course from Tony Robbins. Now, many of you know that Steve Rakin, a good friend of mine and mentor, has gone to Tony Robbins events, has gone through some of the training programs and everything else, and he has recommended that to me on several occasions that I should look into it in order to, surround myself with the people I want to be and to grow mentally, physically, every which way. It's helped him quite a bit. And the funny thing was, before I went to dinner at this Mexican restaurant, I had been on a 2-hour phone call with Steve, kind of like a mutual mentoring session. It was he had a couple questions for me on some of the stuff we do. I had a couple questions for him on YouTube and a few other things, how I can grow my business, how we can partner together to grow each other's business, helping him out on a project he's working on that is foreign to him, but something that we've done quite a bit with. So watch his channel. You'll find out more information coming on that. But anyways, I walked in, and sitting there is this whole set, and I don't know what it goes for. I'm sure it's a few $100 at least for that training course, if not like $1,000 or more. I have no idea because I haven't researched it. The entire set was $4.99. So $5 I get this. There's 4 cardboard packages packed full, plus a bunch of documents of training discs, and like each folder has 5 or 6 CDs with it. So I can't wait to dive into that and start like refreshing my mind and growing as a person, physically, mentally, and aligning myself where I want to be to set up my destiny. Over the last couple of years through this journey, it has been amazing to me that when you do the right things, the right doors open, you get connected to the right people. I have met some of the people who were mentors to us without them knowing they were mentors to us. As we began this journey, we learned from the information they were putting out, videos like this that they would put up on YouTube, training courses that they offered, whatever it be. We immersed ourselves into the community. And never expected that, you know, a year later, 6 months later, 2 years later, whatever it be, at the different points that we've met some of these people and they've become good friends of ours. You know, it's amazing that, you know, a year ago you looked up to these people like they were the untouchables. They were the people who, you know, were like the experts in this reselling community, and they were the people who, you know, you were learning from, and now you pretty much have them on speed dial and carry on conversations with them on a regular basis. It's just this community is much like a family, and when you immerse yourself with the right people and surround yourself by other successful entrepreneurs, you will continue to grow. But that's all I got for you on this video. I want you to get out there and I want you to go do. Whether that is hit a store today, hit a garage sale, find something to buy, immerse yourself into some training, follow a mentor, connect with somebody that you need to connect to, whether it's another reseller who happens to do a different category and you want to learn that category, or find somebody you can give back your knowledge to. Just get out there and go do.